Hello everyone, my name is Ketan Dadhe. I am from Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh. I completed my graduation from Nagpur University, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar College of Engineering, Nagpur. First of all, thank you Fortune Cloud for giving me such a great opportunity and such a great learning that I am here today working in a good company. Talking about the training was very good for me. It's a milestone actually. In training, I learned various things and upgraded my skills at another level. I learned in front end, I learned HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and in back end, my domain was Python. So I learned Python and Django. Especially thanks to Sushant sir and Nisha ma'am. They teach very well to me. And talking about the internship was also good. The learning which I made in Fortune Cloud, I totally applied on my internship in various projects. So once again, thank you very much, Fortune Cloud, Gravita Technologies. Thank you.